I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to keep track of your Movistar Prepaid balance, here is a simple guide to help you check it quickly. Step 1. Dial the balance check code. Open your phone's dialer and enter the specific balance check code provided by Movistar. This is usually a short code that you can dial directly. Step 2. Press call. After entering the code, press the call button to initiate the request. You should hear a confirmation message or see a pop-up on your screen displaying your balance. Step 3. Use the Movistar app. If you prefer using an app, download the Movistar app from your App Store. Once installed, log in with your account details. Step 4. Navigate to Balance section. In the app, find the section labeled Balance or Account. This will show you your current balance along with any recent transactions. Step 5. Check via SMS. If you have issues with the app or dialing, you can also send a specific SMS to a designated number to receive your balance via text. Make sure to check the number on Movistar's website. Remember, sometimes the app may take a moment to update, so don't panic if your balance doesn't show immediately. Happy checking!